Hi, this is MotiWave. Have you ever wondered what your true purpose in life is? Why do some people know exactly what they want to do, while others keep searching for themselves? Finding your purpose is not just about choosing a career. It goes much deeper. It's about understanding what brings you joy, meaning, and a sense of fulfillment. Today, we will explore how to identify your purpose, what steps can help you find it, and how to overcome fears along the way. So, what is purpose? Your purpose is not just a job or profession, it's the realization that you are doing something meaningful and important. It is closely connected to your values, interests, and what truly brings you satisfaction. Many people confuse purpose with a successful career, but it can manifest in any aspect of life, in family, art, creativity, volunteering, or even traveling. Read the book Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. It will help you understand how to find meaning even in the most difficult life situations. How do you understand what truly matters to you? One of the key ways is to listen to your feelings. When you engage in something that is important to you, you feel joy and fulfillment. Ask yourself, what makes me feel alive? What could I talk about for hours? What would I do even if I wasn't getting paid for it? Try keeping an emotion journal. Write down which activities bring you joy and which ones, on the contrary, make you feel irritated or apathetic. Make a list of 10 things you loved doing as a child. This can give you clues about your true passions. Watch the movie The Pursuit of Happiness, an inspiring and motivating story about finding one's path. How to find your purpose. Experiment. This is the only way to find what you are looking for. If you don't know what you truly enjoy, try new things. Different fields of activity can open new horizons for you. Look at your past experiences. Recall moments when you felt truly happy and engaged. What were you doing at those moments? Another great way to get at least a direction is to take aptitude and talent tests. They won't give you an exact answer, but they can point you in the right direction. Talk to different people because inspiration often comes from others. Learn their stories, ask how they found their path. Read the book Big Magic, Creative Living Beyond Fear by Elizabeth Gilbert. It's about finding inspiration and purpose in life. One of the biggest obstacles to discovering your purpose is fear. We fear making mistakes, choosing the wrong path, or wasting time. Remember, mistakes are part of the process. They help us learn and grow. Sometimes fear prevents us from even taking the first step. In this case, the small steps principle works. Move forward gradually without trying to change everything at once. Imagine that your life hasn't changed in 10 years. How do you feel? This exercise will help you understand whether you should be afraid of change or if you should be more afraid of inaction. Watch the movie The Secret, a film about the power of thought and pursuing dreams. I'm sure it will change your inner world and help you see things from a different perspective. Once you feel like you've found your direction, start taking action. Even small steps matter. Create a plan. What specific actions can you take today? Find a mentor or like-minded people. Having a supportive environment plays a huge role. Remember that your purpose can change over time. The key is to listen to yourself and not be afraid to adjust your course. On this topic, I highly recommend the book Atlas Shrugged by Ayn Rand, a story about pursuing your goal no matter what. Finding your purpose is a journey, not a final destination. Don't be afraid to try, explore, and change direction. The most important thing is to keep searching for what makes you truly happy. Share in the comments, have you already found your purpose, or are you still searching? What steps help you move forward? Subscribe, and let's explore the most important questions in life together. Your journey starts here. Stay with MotiWave.